Most people, when they feel weak after the age of 60, are advised to take magnesium supplements to strengthen their muscles. But the truth is that eating magnesium alone will not solve this problem. The body needs not just one mineral, but several nutrients to rebuild muscle and prevent weakness. There is actually a common food that can be very effective in rebuilding muscle, increasing strength, and preventing muscle loss, sarcopenia, with advancing age. Unfortunately, very few people know about it. In this video, I will show you that special food, why it is so powerful, and I will also tell you 2 everyday foods that are silently inhibiting your muscle growth. Now let's talk about magnesium first. This is a mineral that is often forgotten, although it is very important for strong muscles after 60. Most people think that leg weakness or muscle cramps are normal and inevitable in old age, but the truth is that a major reason for this is that the muscles are not as loose and relaxed as they used to be. Remember, every time you take a step, stand up from a chair, or bend over to tie your shoes, the muscles first contract and then relax. But when the body is low in magnesium, the muscles remain tense for a long time. It's like making a fist and not being able to open it fully. When the muscles don't relax completely, blood flow is affected, nutrients are not delivered, and the body is unable to build new muscles or repair old ones. Over time, this problem makes your legs heavy, stiff, and weak. Whether you're taking protein or exercising, this problem becomes more serious with age because the body doesn't absorb magnesium as well as it used to. This means that even if you are eating foods containing magnesium or taking supplements, it is still not enough for the body. Most adults need about 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium per day to keep their systems running properly, but the reality is that this amount is rarely met in a typical diet. And the most frustrating thing is that the supplements available on the market either do not contain the required amount or are not accompanied by other essential vitamins and minerals that help the body absorb magnesium properly. Think of magnesium as the key that tells your muscles to rest and start repairing again. When the body finally gets the right amount of magnesium, the muscles relax, blood flow improves, and oxygen and nutrients reach the inside to repair and strengthen the broken fibers. This is why magnesium is so important. Without it, neither protein is of much benefit nor exercise can give you the desired results. For seniors, it's not just a matter of avoiding stiffness or pain, but also a battle to maintain your independence and autonomy. Strong legs, a straight walk, and the energy you need to do your daily activities all depend on magnesium. Now let's talk about something else. Cooked spinach. This leafy green is a hidden treasure for building muscle after 60. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you about 157 milligrams of magnesium, or about 40% of your daily requirement. The most interesting thing is that the magnesium in spinach is absorbed by the body 1.5 times better than regular supplements. That means your body turns it into real power instead of wasting it. But the story of spinach doesn't end with magnesium. It's also rich in folic acid and potassium, which reduce inflammation, speed up muscle recovery, and help the body use protein more efficiently. This means that if you're already eating meat, eggs, or a protein shake, the presence of spinach turns those proteins into strong, lean muscles instead of being wasted. This is also supported by scientific evidence. A Harvard study followed nearly 3,000 seniors for 4 years. The results were that those who ate magnesium-rich vegetables like spinach every day had better muscle mass, stronger legs, and more active lives. This is why it has been a tradition for generations in many Mediterranean cultures to cook spinach and eat it with olive oil, lemon, or garlic to prevent weakness and keep seniors moving well into their 80s or 90s. Spinach is also very easy to prepare. Just be careful not to cook it for too long, as excessive heat destroys many vitamins. It's best to steam fresh spinach over low heat for just 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to make spinach even tastier and more nutritious, sprinkle it with a little sea salt and squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top. For breakfast, you can make a delicious omelet with spinach and feta cheese. For lunch, add cooked spinach to creamy garlic chicken and potatoes. For dinner, mix spinach with garlic butter shrimp and serve it over brown rice. Remember, including spinach in at least 1 meal a day is the easiest and most natural way to naturally increase magnesium levels in your body. Just this small change can help your muscles relax better, speed up recovery, and build strength at a rate that simply relying on protein shakes wouldn't be possible. Best of all, it's completely safe, natural, and you can start today. I know how frustrating it can be when your muscles don't flex as much as they used to, or when even the smallest of everyday tasks feel overwhelming. That's why I'm so excited to share with you ways that really make a difference. Just try this 3-food plan for a week, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your body starts to feel stronger and more energetic. And if you want to take your strength results even further, don't stop there. Watch my next video where I share a proven method that increases arm strength by up to 31%, and it doesn't require doing a single push-up or lifting a dumbbell. Click on it now and let's continue our journey of empowerment together. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. This is a great encouragement for the channel. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming videos. I'd love to hear your feedback, so be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.